Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your Steam games to another account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, open the Steam application on your computer. This is your main hub, so make sure it's fully launched and running properly. Once Steam is open, log into your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Steam library where all your games are displayed. Now, it's important to understand one key limitation. Steam does not allow direct transfers of owned games from one account to another. According to the Steam subscriber agreement, game licenses and subscriptions are non-transferable. That means you can't permanently move games between accounts. However, Steam does offer a helpful alternative called family sharing. This feature allows you to share your game library with other accounts. To enable it, click on Steam in the top left corner of the app, then select Settings from the drop-down. In the Family settings, check the box that enables library sharing on your computer. Make sure your account is in good standing, as restricted accounts won't be able to change these settings. Next, you'll see a list of eligible accounts that have logged in to the same device. Select the accounts you want to share your library with. Once you've made your selections, click OK to save your changes. Those selected accounts will now have access to your shared game library following Steam's sharing rules. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share your Steam library with a friend. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.